How to disable the touchscreen on Windows 11 or Windows 10. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. Now you can disable your PC's touchscreen using Device Manager. The process is same for Windows 10 and 11. The first thing you want to do is open Device Manager. For this, click on the Start menu, type Device Manager and select it from the search results. Now once Device Manager opens, scroll down, click on Human Interface Devices to expand it. You're looking for one of the following: HID compliant touchscreen, or on some devices like Surface Pro, multiple HID touch related items. If you see multiple touch related items, you may need to disable each one. Now disable the touchscreen. Click the device. At the top, click Action, select Disable Device, confirm if prompted. Repeat for additional touch-related devices if your touchscreen still works. After disabling, tap your screen, confirm that it no longer responds to touch. If it still works, disable remaining HID touch entries. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.